Hello, boys and girls. We're going to start day 2 of Unit 6 in Letterland. And we're going to start off with our quick dash. So you are going to tell me the character, sound, and letter name for these Letterlanders. Ready? Character, Annie Apple. Sound, A. Letter name, A. Character, Mr. A. Sound, A. Letter name, A. Character, Bouncy Ben. Sound, B. Letter name, B. Character, Clever Cat. Sound, K. Letter name, C. Character, Mr. E. Sound, E. Letter name, E. Character, Eddie Elephant. Sound, E. Letter name, E. Character, Firefighter Fred. Sound, F. Letter name, F. Character, Magic E. Sound, silent. Letter name, E. Character, Golden Girl. Sound, G. Letter name, G. Character, Harry Hatman. Sound, H. Letter name, H. Character, Red Robot. Sound, R. Letter name, R. Character, Sammy Snake. Sound, S. Letter name, S. Character, Sleepy Sammy. Sound, Z. Letter name, S. Character, Mr. U. Sound, U. Letter name, U. Character, Uppy Umbrella. Sound, Letter name, U. Character, Dippy Duck. Look at the sound here. The sound, silent. Letter name, D. Then we have our characters, Gentle Ginger and Magic E. Sound, J. Letters, G, E. Very good. Today we are going to do live spelling. So at home, what I would like for you to do is get out a sheet of notebook paper. I'm going to call out a word to you, and I want you to spell it in your notebook paper or on your notebook paper, okay? And then we're going to see if you spelled the words correctly. So the first word I want you to spell is cut. I cut the paper with scissors. Cut. And the word cut is C-U-T. Good job spelling cut. The next word is cute. The puppy is very cute. Spell cute. All right, if you had cut to make that word cute, you need Magic E on the end. This is cute. Awesome. Your next word to spell is hug. I gave my mom a hug when I got home from school. You should spell hug, H-U-G. Good job. Your next word is huge. That bug is huge. If we want to make the word huge, we add an E to the end. Now that makes Gentle Ginger appear. Huge. Good. The next word I want you to spell is stage. She sang her song on the stage. Stage also has Gentle Ginger with Magic E. S-T-A-G-E. Good job spelling stage. Your next word is badge. Firefighter Fred wears a badge. Badge is B-A-D-G-E. It has our silent dippy duck in the word because we want that A to say ah in badge. Good job spelling badge. Your next word is budge. I could not budge the couch. It was too heavy. Budge. When we want to make the word budge, we would change the vowel in badge to a U. This word is budge. Still has silent dippy duck in the word. Very good. And our next word rhymes with budge. The word is grudge. I will not hold a grudge if I get mad at my friend. Grudge. Grudge also has dippy duck silent in the word so that the magic E sparks cannot land on our U. We still want a short U sound in grudge. Very good spelling grudge. Your next word is edge. Do not get too close to the edge. Edge also has silent dippy duck with gentle ginger and magic E. Here's edge. Good job. Here's a word that rhymes with edge. We're going to add a letter to the beginning of the word. The word is hedge. I will trim the hedge. It's like a bush outside. Hedge. Here's the word hedge. Good job spelling the word hedge. And your last word I want you to spell is refuse. Refuse. See if you can spell that word. Refuse has 2 syllables. And here is how you spell refuse. Great job spelling your words. Now here are our 2 sentences for word detectives. I also want you to write these sentences down in your notebook. Please include your sister June in your dodgeball game. And the duck on the edge of the bridge did not budge as we came close. Write both of these sentences down. And then we are going to code these words and find words that have our U consonant magic E, gentle ginger with magic E, and silent dippy duck with gentle ginger and magic E. So in our next video, after you have written these words, we will find words that have the sounds we worked on this week.